stop on our tour of Westmoreland was Negril All Age. We showed them our feature, My Country Jamaica, and asked them questions. And boy, the students were eager to answer. And they're bright, you see?
I learned that in 1944, adults earned the privilege to vote for who should rule Jamaica.
I learned that the Kingston Harbor is the 7th largest harbor in Jamaica.
In the where?
In the world.
Okay, nice. He knew the answer. He was just a little bit nervous.
Jamaica is the home of the fastest man alive.
And who is that person?
Usain Bolt.
All in all, they knew the vision to make Jamaica the place of choice too. All right. Somebody else. Live. The other one. Nobody don't shout. Remember, we were the other one. Live, were. The third one is to don't shout it out. Somebody don't tell me. What is identify?
Raise family.
And the fourth one is to
Do business.
We also introduced the students to the annual JIS essay competition. And from all accounts, they were eager to win the fabulous prizes. But then it was time for them to show us how vibesy and culturally aware they were.
So what a nice place to live. Sweet jump, the only problem is there's not rough. Me wings them broke, me courage fail. Bad breeze blew up on me hope. Me walk out all in the Chinese shop, but not a washing soap. Soap must I say, if hard days by can go further. If monks can go on holiday, soap must can take vacation. And we dig up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper, but we love the country food and the culture. Oh, can't you see the beauty of this country?
Did you enjoy that display? If you did, you're sure to love Sheffield All Age, as they were equally entertaining.
Everybody come and hear what I have to say. How our ancestors traveled here across the sea. His grandpa, her grandma, and the same for you and me. So no matter where we come from, Jamaica is our name.
What a welcome! And trust me, Sheffield All Age gave us a history lesson to remember. The PA system might have been giving some feedback, but it didn't take away from the message, showcasing our rich cultural heritage.
7 heroes standing brave and tall, fighting for justice for one and all. From Sam Sharp, who preferred death to slavery, to Nanny, who fought fiercely to keep her people free. Then came Bogle and Gordon, who lost their lives in the fight against injustice. They were joined by Garvey, who cried, "Black people must unite at home and abroad." When leaders were needed for independence, Manley and Bustamante answered the call. Today, we honor and remember them all for all the brave deeds that they have done.
The price of bread gone up so high that we have to briefing cook. We like my bread and our ton dumpling refugee. And all them mom or somebody there, where they going like fatty sin. All them the way they pass with me, I just left them to dumpling.
I am Mary Seaboard. I was born 1805 in Kingston, Jamaica. My father was a Scottish soldier and my mother a free black Jamaican woman who was skilled in traditional medicines. I acquired herbal medicines in the Caribbean. When the Crimean War broke out, I applied to the War Office to assist, but I was refused. However, I traveled independently and set up my hotel and assisted battlefield wounded soldiers.
Why? You're gonna improve yourself and you get so much fear and turn so long and foreign and come back ugly same way.
we loved the kids and they loved us right back. As we leave Sheffield, we remember to say,
I pledge